Hello, I'm More Coins, your crypto instructor. How do I withdraw my King coin from Just Joking and also from Pairbet? So it's very simple. As you can see, we are in Trust Wallet. So first of all, you come to Trust Wallet, then you come to this search here. You search for King. So you can see there are different Kings there. But the first one is not the one we're interested in. We're interested in King SPL. You activate it, then you open it. So you can see I've done a series of withdrawal. So you come here, you come to receive, you copy your SPL wallet address, then you go back to Just Joking. Maybe you want to withdraw from Just Joking. Then you come to your wallet and you click on withdraw King. Then you enter the amount you want to withdraw. Let me withdraw 100 and use as an example. Then put your address, you submit. I've withdrawn 50, I've withdrawn 100, I've withdrawn 300. There's no withdrawal. I've withdrawn 1,000. There's no withdrawal limit, but now there's a withdrawal limit which is 250,000 King. So you must have up to 250,000 King before you can withdraw. That's how to withdraw your King from Just Joking. Is as simple as that. So let's how to withdraw from Pairbet. So you come to Pairbet, click on the coin logo, and you click on wallet, click on send, then you put in the amount you want to withdraw. Listen, let me withdraw 500. Paste, click on send King. So it is sent. King is sent. You can see it has been deducted from my balance. It's as easy as that. So let's confirm it from Trust Wallet. This is it today. You can see it here today. It has arrived as fast as possible. Now that is how to withdraw your King. It's as simple as that. So if you have learned something from this video, subscribe to my channel, like and share. Thank you for watching.